If you're going away for 7 days or more, then we recommend that you put your heat pump into holiday away mode. This is an energy saving feature that also helps to keep your home protected if the weather is cold. If the padlock symbol is showing, the screen is locked. Press the padlock symbol for 3 seconds to unlock. Press the menu button. Use the down arrow to select options and press OK. Use the right arrow to select holiday away and press OK. Use the down arrow to select current state and press the power symbol to turn it on. Use the down arrow to select heat mode and press the power symbol to turn it on. Press the down arrow again to set the time away period. Set the from date by pressing the right arrow and the up arrow to set the date you want the heat pump to start its holiday settings. This could be the day you're leaving or even the day after. Press the right arrow to select month and the up and down arrow to change the month. The current year should be displayed. If you want to change this, press the right arrow and then the up arrow. Press the left arrow key to move back from, then use the down arrow to move to until. Use the right arrow to set the date. Typically this is the date you're returning home or the day after, whichever suits best. When your holiday setting's finished, the heat pump will return to its normal schedule. Now the from and until dates are set, press the back arrow until you reach the main display. And that's it, your heat pump is set for your holiday, saving you energy and giving you peace of mind whilst you're away.